Toca Boca. Oh. Does that count as a spoiler? Guys, welcome to Toca Kitchen. It's the best. We're gonna learn how to cook. Oh, we could choose a character. Oh, by the way, guys, while I'm recording this video, the other video is getting uploaded. So, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, who should we choose? I think we should choose kitty cat. What do cats like? I think they like mushrooms. Yeah, pepper. She doesn't like it. Tomatoes. Wait, is there a cucumber? Oh, I wish there was a cucumber so we could... Oh, they love fish. Let's cut the fish. Cut. There we go, back to the cat. We can do the cut. Okay, let's... I don't want to do that. I want to cut it more. It's not fair. Let's do this. Cats don't like to do stuff that's straight up bones. Do they? My phone is vibrating. Come on, let me lower down the volume just in case you guys can't hear me. Oh my gosh, she's craving for the fish. Let's cook the fish actually. Let's cook the fish. Cooking the fish. Cooking the fish. We're cooking the fish. We're gonna burn it. Okay, let's now put it back over here. Like that. If you hear someone in the background, it's Chad Gamer Phone Games. Go check out his channel. We just did a collab in the video. But there's another collab. Okay, she probably likes eggs. Does she like eggs? Is she a he or a she? I don't know. Just call her a she. Let's boil the egg. Can you please not scream? Oh my god, he's screaming too much on this video. Here we go. Come on.
I was glitched out of the map by the freaking
Oh no, I was gonna break it. Some cat.
What?
Does she like hay? I think she likes hay. She hates hay. Let's make a potato with pear and fish and sausage. Yeah, let's make it. Why don't we just do like this and then we... Run! No! This game is unfair. It's not real. This game is stupid. Let's put this in here. Microwaving a pear. Just imagine someone microwaving a pear. Let's do it again until it blows up. Blow up. It's a really hot pear. If you know what I mean.
They just completely spawned into
It's pear. Sorry, pear. But you're too boring. Eater. Okay, let's just eat a solo potato. Maybe we shred it. You'll like it. Oh, let's just eat it. Doesn't look that good. It looks kind of disgusting, dude. Oh, you want it in a pan? Ugh, okay, whatever you say. Is this how you make mashed potato? Oh wait, I'm gonna cook the fish for her. Now we're gonna go to the next person. This fish looks weird. Give it to her. Oh, we forgot about this. Oh, maybe she's going to cook this. Here you go. She liked it. Okay, what customer do we do next? Let's do that person. I'm sorry, I don't want to be mean, but I don't know any of these people's genders. You know what? I'm just gonna say it's a boy. I don't care. Well, I do care actually. Okay, whatever. Okay,
Why does it do
let's
that?
just do this. Okay, does she like the egg? Okay. Okay, guys. So I was boiling the egg, but then I can't move the egg. The egg, I tap it, but the egg doesn't move. I tap it, and then the egg just stays there. And then when I click on somewhere else, the egg moves. See, just a weird egg. They need to do some updates in this game, please. Make stuff better, please. I want more food, more stuff, and that you can infinitely do stuff. Like, you can make stuff too, please. Please. That would be wonderful. Boiled egg. It's boiled. Give it the boiled egg. She licked it. Eat the pear. I'm curious of something. I'm curious. Let's boil the egg. Of course, the skin comes out. But even boil the egg. Boil the egg. Boil the egg. Boil the egg. You know, to clean it. What happens when we mix it, though? Oh, it's because it has a yolk. Oh, no, that's not good. That's disgusting. Oh, wait, no, actually, it's kind of good. It's pretty good. Let's just cut it. It looks good. It's egg.
Oh, yes, big brain.
Boil the egg. The weird egg. Let's cook the egg.
Big brain.
Wait. Okay, eat this. I don't care.
No, the bowman.
Shut. Oh, my head is moving. What happens if we cook the egg? Oh my god! It actually turns into this. I was like, wait, is the egg just like gonna fry or something, or is he actually gonna open it? But it actually opens. It looks really cool. Let's go. Oh, this looks weird. What happens when we put it in here? Oh, that looks disgusting. Eat it. I don't care what you say. Let's go to the next person. Okay, let's choose the moose guy. He looks cool. This is the last person. Be the last customer. Gonna have egg. Liquid egg. How does that taste? Taste good? Eat the broccoli, not your diet. More egg. Look, those are some apps. Love open. Since they love open, and then look, there's like the apps I wanna play soon. Okay, let's cook the egg. Of course, why not? Who doesn't want to cook an egg? Would not cook an egg. Let's leave it there. Come on. What happens if we leave it there for a long time? Okay, come back when it's long. Here, it's been like more than 10 minutes and it just stays like this. So let's just give him the egg like this. This egg, it looks wonderful. Okay, let's put another egg. Let's cook the egg. Give the egg to the person. Eat the egg, eat the egg, eat the egg. Let's give him hay. He probably loves hay, like, give me the hay, give me the hay, give me the hay. No, I'm gonna kill you, man. Wait, do they like meat? I don't think they like meat. Do you see his face? Like, don't you dare give me that. Dare give me that. That's not good. I think they like hay. Wait, I think we put the hay in the thing. Oh, it looks like freaking grass. I don't think we fried the egg. I mean, we've been doing too much stuff with an egg that I call the hay the egg. Looks weird. Microwave it. Okay guys, when it stops. Okay, let's go. The hey, give me the hay. Go on there. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. If you want to see more Toca games, Toca Boca games, Toca Boca games, Toca Boca games, Toca Kitchen, whatever, tell me in the comments. Bye!